Have you ever questioned why, despite eating a balanced diet, you still don't have enough necessary nutrients in your body? It is only natural to question whether there is an underlying medical ailment or a mistake in your diet plan. If you have been experiencing weariness despite eating a healthy diet, you might want to watch this video till the end to know why. We naturally feel sleepy after a substantial lunch. We simply sometimes go back to bed after lunch on the weekends. Some smokers prefer to take a puff right after eating. Others enjoy a cup of tea, believing that it will aid in meal digestion. These behaviors are more harmful than beneficial. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 7 things you should never do after consuming a big meal. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. 1. Sleeping after meals. Who doesn't like sleeping after eating? We're sorry to have to break it to you, but it's time to put off that much-needed snooze. Your body is still in the process of digesting food after a meal. As you are no longer in an upright position when you lie down or sleep, digestion is disrupted. As a result, you may have discomfort, achy soreness, flatulence, and other issues. In a similar vein, it is not recommended that you take a shower right after eating. 2. Taking tea. Tea leaves are acidic, which will interfere with digestion. If you have a meal that contains protein, the acid in the tea will stiffen the protein, making it challenging to digest. Tea consumption just after a meal will also prevent the body from properly absorbing iron. Experts advise one should avoid drinking tea 1 hour before and after meals. 3. Have a fruit after your meals. Fruits are very fantastic for your health, but it's crucial to time it properly if you want the optimum nourishment. Fruits taste best when eaten on an empty stomach or after a certain amount of time has passed since your meal, not right away. Fruit consumption immediately before a meal may restrict its absorption and can cause stomach issues. Additionally, keep in mind that it might potentially impact your taste. 4. Smoking cigarettes. Although smoking and using tobacco products are unhealthy, many smokers have the habit of smoking right after eating. Keep in mind that smoking and tobacco use are more damaging to the stomach than other vices, and that the carcinogens you breathe on the way might irritate your intestines and cause long-term issues like IBS and bowel infections. You are also subjecting yourself to another negative side effect. Studies show that smoking even 1 cigarette after eating has the same negative effects as smoking 10 cigarettes at once. 5. Loosening your belt after eating. The next time you suggest that you wish to relax your belt after a filling dinner, reconsider. To begin with, you shouldn't actually feel uncomfortable after eating. Simply put, wanting to loosen your belt is a clue that you may have overindulged. Second, according to several studies, even slight pressure or stress in and around the stomach can impair digestion and the gastric process, which may result in issues. In the same way, you should switch up your rigorous activities, such as walks and hard exercises. 6. Avoid exercising. Following a meal with exercise can mess with your digestion. You might even feel like throwing up, have an enlarged stomach, and have loose motions. Stretches are the only exercise recommended after a meal. They facilitate digestion. You should stay away from everything else. 7. Drinking water. Your top priority should always be staying hydrated, but drinking something shortly after eating is not particularly beneficial. After meals, drinking water can dilute the enzymes and gastric juice release, which can further cause acidity. In the same way, things like coffee or tea, which you have with meals, might cause issues with iron absorption. That's it for today, folks. If we left out other things to avoid after consuming a big meal, kindly share them with us in the comments. Bye for now.